Hello all. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Global food demand is rising. Farmers are under pressure. Climate is unpredictable, but AI is transforming agriculture, making farming smarter, faster, and more sustainable. Agricultural AI uses data from soil, weather, satellites, drones, and sensors to automate tasks, predict outcomes, and optimize everything from irrigation to crop health. Traditionally, farming relied on experience. Today, every farm generates data, and AI converts this data into decisions. AI can tell exactly when the crops need water and how much. No more overwatering, no more waste. Computer vision can identify diseases just by analyzing leaf images. Farmers get early warnings, saving crops and increasing yield. Drones can scan entire fields in minutes. AI analyzes plant health, water stress, and nutrient deficiency at massive scale. This is where the magic happens. AI models can predict crop yield weeks or months in advance, using weather, soil, seed variety, and historical data. AI allows farmers to treat every square meter of land differently. Right fertilizer, right amount, right place, automatically. AI also predicts market prices, optimizes logistics, reduces spoilage, and ensures the right produce reaches the right market. Around the world, AI is already transforming agriculture. What powers AI in agriculture? Here's how everything comes together. The future is fully autonomous farms, self-watering, self-monitoring, and self-harvesting. AI isn't replacing farmers. It's empowering them. If you want to explore more real-world AI applications, subscribe. Next video, AI in logistics or AI in healthcare, explained simply.